Isso. Devagarzinho. Então, essa é a beira do rio. Lá nos fundos lá é o estádio do Red Bulls. Isn't that beautiful? Eles estão fazendo agora um Riverbank Park Ironbound Recreation Center to Ferry Street. Olha o que eles estão fazendo. Eles estão preparando aqui para fazer um outro park. Look, how nice.
Okay, that's the floor.
Mm-hmm.
There's still
Water Newark Riverfront Park.
They're also gonna have like some water.
Yeah, olha, estão plantando árvores.
They're also
uma vista maravilhosa.
They're also going to clean the water.
Clean the water.
They're going to. They might make it a beach.
Yeah, they're making it.
They're
A
making
very nice
view.
Nice place. Wow.
It'll
Wonderful
be.
view.
It'll be so big. It'll be going to until Penn Station.
So
And that's the finish.
that's it. Stop.
Okay, so bye.